Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making one of my absolute favorite quick home-style dishes, stir-fried zucchini with eggs. Simple ingredients, easy steps, and the final dish looks bright, fresh, and super comforting. These are our zucchinis. Give them a wash, cut them in half lengthwise, and then slice them on a slight angle. Don't cut them too thin. A bit of thickness keeps the texture nice. Next, chop up some tomatoes into chunks. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl. And add a tablespoon of cornstarch slurry. Give it a quick whisk. That little bit of slurry makes the eggs extra soft and silky. Trust me, it really works. Here I've got some wood ear mushroom that have already been soaked until soft. And for aromatics, just a bit of chopped scallion and minced garlic. Alright, the prep is done. Let's start cooking. Bring a wok of water to a boil. Add the wood ear and the zucchini, plus 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. The vinegar gives the zucchini a crisp bite and helps remove that natural mushroom smell from the wood ear. Let it come back to a boil for about 2 minutes. Scoop them out and rinse out the cold water and drain them later. Heat a little oil in the wok. Pour in the egg mixture and let it set. Once the eggs firm up, remove them from the wok. Leave just a thin layer of oil in the wok. Add the scallions and the garlic and saute until fragrant. Now toss in the tomatoes and give them a quick stir. Add the zucchini and the wood ear back in. Then season with 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce, 100 milliliters of water, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon MSG, 1.5 teaspoons sugar. Stir everything together. Add the eggs back into the wok. Finish with a splash of cornstarch slurry to give the sauce a light thickness. That's what helps all the flavors cling together. Once the sauce comes together, we are ready to plate. Look at this! Such a simple dish, but the colors are beautiful. The zucchini stays tender. The eggs are soft. The tomatoes gives it that bright freshness. And the whole dish feels light yet super satisfying. Let me try it for you. Wow, so good. This is exactly what home cooking should taste like. Grab a bowl of steaming hot rice. Let it soak up some of the sauce. It's unbelievably comforting. Give it a try at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.